The Fast Track Soup dated for 2022 top converting high ticket on CB. Here's just a little of what you will discover during the web class. The simple 3-step formula responsible for a $156,000 plus profit in 30 days during a pandemic. How to create ongoing income streams of $500 to $1,000 or more per day without having to hustle or take big risks. See real-life examples of how average people of every age are bringing in $500 or more within 24 hours of watching this free training. You will see how Steve, Carol, and more did exactly this with no risk. Why typical business models will not work in today's information-based world, and why you should avoid them like the plague. And much more.